Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel and support. I hope you will be fine. Today my title is Our People Are Here to Stay. World Court here argument over Israel occupation of Palestinian claimed land. The International Court of Justice began hearing historic oral argument Monday over the Israel occupation of territory claimed by Palestinians, trusting the decades-old debate before a panel of international judges as the region remained locked the unprecedented war. 52 countries will participate in argument as Hague over the 6 days hearing more than any other case heard by the court in history. In case stream from 2022 requested for an advisory opinion of the UN General Assembly. The 15 judges on the court will be asked to consider, as the General Assembly wrote, the legal consequences arising from the ongoing violation by Israel of the right of the Palestinian people to self-determination from their prolonged occupation, settlement, and annexation of the Palestinian territory occupied since 1967. The court established after World War II as the way of countries to resolve disputes without conflict will likely take 2 months to issue a ruling. The ICJ opinion will be advisory, not binding. Monday's case is separate from proceeding held in January over an accusation from South Africa that Israel was committing genocide in its war against Hamas following the October 7 attacks. That case saw the overwhelming majority of the court order Israel to prevent genocide against Palestinians in Gaza, while stopping short of calling for Israel to suspend its military campaign as South Africa had requested. At that time, Israel had already indicated it would not accept the ICJ's ruling, with Prime Minister Benjamin Office writing on X that nobody will stop us on a Hague, not the acts of evil and nobody else. Monday case concerning the West Bank began with remarks from Palestinian Authority Foreign Minister Riyad al-Maliki. Successive Israeli governments has given to the Palestinian people only three options: displacement, subjection, or death. Al-Maliki said, but our peoples are here to stay, that they have a right to live in freedom and dignity in their ancestral land. They will not forsake their rights. Al-Maliki said as an end to double standard in handling the Palestinian issue, advocating for the ICJ to recognize Palestinian people's right for self-determination. The right to self-determination does not elapse by status of limitation and non-negotiable, and the Israel occupations must end without condition, he said on Monday. It's time to put an end to the double standard that have kept our people captive for too long. International laws has to apply to all states. The, this court must declare Israeli occupations is illegal and must end completely and unconditionally, al-Maliki added. But Lear had a spokesman for the Israel Ministry of Foreign Affairs criticized the Palestinian Authority for what he called deteriorating reality and avoiding direct negotiations for seeking the unilateral legal ruling from ICJ by hurling false accusations and creating a fundamentally distorted reality. The Palestinian Authority is trying to turn a conflict that should be resolved through direct negotiations and without external impositions into one-sided and improper legal process designed to adopt an extremist and Detroitian narrative. Had said had condemned the Palestinian leadership for illegally ignoring acts of terrorism, include inciting anti-sentiment conflict, the legal framework urging a return to direct negotiations to resolve the conflicts. You can watch all the latest news from my channel. Subscribe my channel for latest updates. Stay connected with me. If you want to read this news, you can see in the description. Have a nice time. Goodbye.